In this video, I'm going to share with you 21 daily life hacks that will make your fitness journey much easier. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Onions are an integral part of almost every Indian curry. We saute them for a long time, almost turning them brown. According to Ayurveda, onions have this peculiar property of soaking the oil and then releasing it out in the body. Here is a useful hack. If you are looking to shed extra fat, saute onions only lightly. Although if you want to gain weight, you can saute them to golden brown. Make use of it. Removing the shell of coconut is not so easy. Can be frustrating at times, but not anymore. One effective life hack is to place the coconut in water for about 4 hours. Then break it open and remove the shell. It works like magic. Useful, isn't it? One of the causes of hair breakage is low blood circulation in the scalp. An easy hack is to comb your hair in the opposite direction of its natural tendencies. It instantly improves the circulation at the root of the hair, making your hair healthier. You can do this before going to sleep at night. Accidentally got a cut or a wound? Don't worry. Simply apply aloe vera gel. Cooling in nature, jam-packed with antimicrobial properties, aloe vera gel is probably nature's best topical herb for cuts, wounds, sores and burns. The collagen building and wound healing properties of aloe vera gel were studied by modern scientists and the results are affirmative. Do you often suffer from gas, bloating and indigestion? One simple yet effective hack is to remove the seeds of the tomato before adding it to the curries. Ayurveda propounds that tomato seeds are almost indigestible and may become the reason for gas in the body. So remove them and have a happy meal. Suffering from backache? One of the lesser known ways in which we unknowingly aggravate back pain is when we walk in high-heeled footwear. Avoid it and choose flat footwear and watch that pain subside. Are you prone to developing body heat issues like sunburn, rashes, acne in the summer season? Ayurveda suggests Rakt Moksha or bloodletting before the onset of summer. There are many ways. A practical and easy way is to donate blood to a blood bank. This will balance pitta and will make your summer way less problematic. Yes, now is the right time. Recently, a research team discovered that when amla is taken, it counteracts toxic effects of heavy metals like lead, aluminium and nickel. We have discussed before how boiled amla can be eaten with a meal as it gets soft, less sour and a good replacement to pickle. Taking it one step further, you don't even need to take the hassle of separately boiling it. Simply add one raw amla just 5 minutes before the curry is about to get cooked. Amla will get soft without changing the taste of the curry. Saves your time and effort. Once in a while, we do get into a situation when the food we ate had that extra amount of chili, don't we? Contrary to common belief, the best remedy for an overdose of hot chili isn't a gulp of water, nor it is sugar but salt. Yes, next time eat some rock salt and the effect of chili will reduce almost instantly. You can try. Suffering from pain and swelling in a part of a body? Nah, no need to take any pill. Probably the safest and the most effective remedy is to apply pure castor oil on that part. Apply once or twice a day whenever you are comfortable. Within 48 hours, you will observe the pain vanished, swollen part to be perfectly normal. That's the power of castor oil. Do you often get sunburns? A useful hack is to rub either crushed cucumber, aloe vera or cool buttermilk and see that burn getting soothed almost instantly. Flying off for a vacation in a couple of days? Worried about jet lag? Traveling, especially air travel, imbalances Vata dosha in the body leading to jet lag and related symptoms. One effective life hack is to eat Vata pacifying diet a day before the trip. Works like charm. Try out. Gotten beaten or stung by an insect? Don't panic. Instead, apply neem oil on the site immediately. Neem is an antidote to most poisonous insect venoms and works way better than other over-the-counter drugs. God forbid, need be, you should try it out. If you are often stressed out, an effective solution is to mix about 20 drops of sandalwood essential oil in 50 ml of cold-pressed sesame or coconut oil and keep it on your dressing table. In the morning, while getting ready, place a drop of this oil in between your eyebrows, on throat, temples and wrists. It is Ayurveda's secret way to balance the emotions. Try this summer. According to Ayurveda, rice which is aged, that is 1 year or 2 years old, has much more healing properties than freshly harvested rice. It is better for diabetics as well. But how do we identify aged rice? A simple yet unfailing rule is that old rice will not break easily while newly harvested will. If you have got newly harvested rice, no problem. Just roast roast it for a few minutes and then place it back. Aged rice not only is healthier but also doesn't stick to each other after cooking due to low moisture content in it. We enjoy eating green peas, but we often throw away the green pea skin, labeling it useless. Never do that. It is extremely high in vitamins and antioxidants. So what should we do? Eat them? Nah. One easy hack is to use them in making soups. Simply boil the skin in 3 glasses of water with your favorite vegetables and spices. And when just 1/3 water is left behind, strain off the skins and have the soup. It's delicious and healthy. The white part of our eyes called sclera often gets yellow or reddish due to excessive screen time, stress and strain. It's due to minor inflammation and Ayurveda notes it as pitta aggravation. One easy hack is to put a drop of ghee in each of your eyes before going to sleep at night. A natural soother for the eyes, it cleanses them, making the sclera look clean and bright. Yes, it can be used by anybody, even daily, and has no side effects. If you want Ayurvedic medicines and herbs to work the best within your system, you should know the appropriate vehicle or medium for taking them. This is called Anupan and is specific to one's leading dosha. For example, if you want to take amla juice, Vata person whose body is cold and dry should have it with warm water. Pitta whose body is fiery should have it with cool water. Kapha whose body is oily and watery should have it with honey. This is also a major reason why some people do not benefit from herbal medicines, as they use the wrong medium. If you often get too angry and are having a hard time dealing with it, instead of getting frustrated for not being able to control your anger, consciously cultivate the opposite quality, which is compassion. Start by practicing self-compassion. Try to be compassionate to animals, trees, other beings, and you will actually be surprised to notice your anger issues subsiding. It is an amazing life hack based on the principle that the opposite qualities balance the excess. Try it. Do you often have to run to the toilet just after eating food? Its best natural cure lies in the pomegranate peels. Yes, don't discard them away. Instead, dry them in shade, powder it, and store it in an airtight container. Have 1 teaspoon of this pomegranate peel powder with cool water 1 hour after breakfast and dinner. It is extremely effective and is often used to treat stomach ulcers and IBS. Feeling anxious? Make a fist with your left hand so that the fingers rest in the middle of the palm. Locate the point where the middle finger ends in the heart of the palm. Then with the thumb of your right hand, press firmly on this point in the center of your left hand. This will calm down the agitation of prana, which causes anxiety. So friends, these were the 21 life hacks which I believe will make your fitness lifestyle easier. Found this video helpful? If you want to see part 4 of this video, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. If you're looking for a genuine and natural face serum, then the Dermaco's 100% squalane serum is one good choice available in the Indian market. Go through its ingredients and you will see that it has just one ingredient mentioned, which is olive squalane oil. Yes, derived 100% from olives, this could be truly hydrating and nourishing for your skin. Made in India, this product is absolutely free from all that toxic stuff and can be used by all skin types. Still, a patch test is recommended. To use it, apply 2 drops of serum on the entire face once in the morning and once at night after cleansing. To buy the Dermaco's 100% olive derived squalane serum, click on the link down in the description box. So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.